Sometimes words of a saint act as medicine. The power in words of Sai Baba was not less than any medicine. Once upon a time, Bala Ganpat, his disciple, was caught in the grip of fever. When no medicine was effective, he then came to Shirdi and fell at Baba's feet and told him about his ailing fever. He knew that Baba will definitely give him some kind of medicine. But Baba, instead of giving him medicine, asked him,
Bala, go to Lakshmi Devi temple and feed a black dog with rice and curd.
Listening to Baba's order, Bala Ganpat got worried. Rice and curd? Lakshmi temple? Black dog? How will he find all these things at one place? He started thinking over it, but he had to follow Baba's order. He took rice and curd and proceeded. Following Baba's order, he got the result very quickly. He found the Lakshmi temple nearby, and surprisingly, there was also a black dog in front of the temple. Bala Ganpat, with his true faith, fed that dog rice and curd. After this incident, Bala Ganpat was cured of his fever for lifetime. This was not a medicine to cure that kind of fever, but this was only the powerful words of Baba that worked as medicine.
दही भाताचे काही कवल लक्ष्मी आईच्या देवळाजवळ काळ्या कुत्र्यास खाऊ घाल बरा होशील तात्काळ